People. Well, my name is Ashley, and I just thought I'd do a burping video, another burping video, but this time with an intro, so people can see my intro that I made last week. Yeah, I made an intro last week, but no one has seen it yet. So I just thought I'll do a burping video with an intro. And I've done burping videos a couple of days ago. And know what? I had more views as ever. My most popular one is a burping video. A second burping video. And this is right back 2011. So yeah, I got 40 something views on that video on this channel, and I was like, know what? Let's do a burping video with an intro so everybody can see my every first intro that I made. So yeah, I just thought I'd do that. Okay, here we go. I'll got myself a coffee so I can do a burp. So yeah, I'll probably do a burping. No, I'll probably do a burp without a drink as well in this video. So yeah, okay. I'll down it so I can do a big burp for you guys, because people do watch my burping videos, so that's why I do burping videos to get more views and more subscribers. So yeah, so cheers to the future. That's one burp. Oh, I just spilled some. I'm quite. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now I will do a burping without no drink. So here it goes. That's it. That's it for that's it for now. I'll probably do more burping videos in the future. Probably tomorrow or next couple of days to get more views. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. I don't know what I will do in my next video. But I know, I know the fact I will do a blog today because it's Wednesday, and last week I done a blog, my first blog on this channel. So every Wednesday I will do a blog to tell you what I've been doing and what videos that I will be doing in the next week. So yeah, I will see you next time, and don't forget subscribe and leave a comment and tell me what you think of this video, and tell me what you think of my intro. Oh, okay. Thanks, thank you for watching, and Goodbye.